Welcome to Kathy S Project.
This is a trick or way to create and color the writing, which I usually use in my workshop. I sprayed the color on the writing first. After it was dry, I covered the writing using soap and sprayed the black color evenly. Wash the written part using clean water after the black paint has dried. After that, apply clear coat, and this is the result. Here are the results. It's easy and amazing, isn't it? If these tips help, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.